How to take a scrolling screenshot in Chrome without any software. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using Google Chrome's built-in developer tools. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Go to the web page you want to capture. Now, press F12 on your keyboard to open developer tools. Next, press Ctrl-Shift-P together. A search box will appear. Type screenshot. From the results, select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Chrome will automatically capture the entire web page, including the content that isn't visible on your screen. Wait a few seconds, and the full-page screenshot will be downloaded automatically as an image file. Open the downloaded image, and you'll see the complete web page in one long screenshot. And that's it! You've successfully taken a scrolling screenshot in Google Chrome without using any third-party software or extensions. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Chrome and Windows tutorials.